In this video, let me show you how to use the PayPal working capital loan feature. To use this feature, you need to first of all check your account eligibility, which includes you must hold a PayPal business or a premier account for at least 90 days. If you have not hit the 90-day period, you will not be able to use this feature first of all. Secondly, you need to also process a minimum $15,000, or if you have a premier account, you need to process a minimum of $20,000 in annual PayPal sales. Also, you must have paid off your previous PayPal working capital loans as well. So these are the three criteria that you need to match. And secondly, once you have met those criteria, you need to apply for the loan. So you can simply search for PayPal working capital loan feature, which will then take you to the section where you can apply for the loan. So simply tap on the apply now option and make sure that you log into your account on the web version. Select your desired loan amount based on the maximum approved offer limit. You'll be able to choose a repayment percentage from your future sales. So this is the process that you can follow, and once everything is done and once the loan is approved, you'll be able to manage the repayments within the application itself. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.